Got an old fence that's seen better days? Don't toss it out just yet. With a little creativity, those worn-out panels and posts can become something brand new and useful. Old wooden fence panels can be turned into rustic shelves. Just cut them to size, sand down the edges, and mount them on brackets for a warm farmhouse feel. Fence posts are sturdy enough to become outdoor furniture, like benches or small garden tables, that last for years with a good weather seal. If you have metal fencing, try repurposing it as a trellis for climbing plants or bending it into unique garden art. Vinyl panels also have potential. Cut them down and assemble them into planter boxes. They're lightweight, weather-resistant, and perfect for patios. Upcycling fence materials not only saves money, but also keeps waste out of landfills while giving your home and garden fresh charm. So before hauling that old fence away, take a second look. Your next DIY project might already be in your backyard. And when it's time for a brand new fence, repairs, or installations, visit CAANFenceInc.com or call 78176-73596 today.